Think your skincare routine is flawless? What if I told you some of your daily habits might be sabotaging your skin without you even realizing it? Today, we're diving into 10 skincare mistakes that many of us are guilty of, and the easy fixes that can transform your skin. Let's see how many of these you're making. Skincare is a journey, and no one gets it perfect all the time. While we're bombarded with advice on how to care for our skin, it's easy to fall into traps that actually harm more than help. Whether it's product misuse, skipping key steps, or following myths, even the smallest mistakes can cause breakouts, dryness, or premature aging. In this video, I'll reveal 10 common skincare mistakes you might not even know you're making, with tips to correct them for healthier, glowing skin. Mistake number 1. Over-cleansing your skin. Washing your face is important, but did you know cleansing too often can strip your skin of its natural oils? Over-cleansing leaves your skin feeling tight, dry, and prone to irritation. It can even trigger your skin to produce excess oil, leading to breakouts. Solution: limit cleansing to twice a day, morning and night, and use a gentle, pH-balanced cleanser that won't disrupt your skin's natural barrier. If you don't wear makeup or sunscreen at night, consider skipping the cleanser altogether and rinsing with water instead. Mistake number 2. Applying products in the wrong order. Layering your skincare incorrectly can render some products useless or even cause irritation. For example, applying a thick moisturizer before your lightweight serum prevents the serum from penetrating your skin. Solution: always follow the golden rule. Apply products from thinnest to thickest consistency. Start with cleanser, then toner, serum, eye cream, moisturizer, and finally, sunscreen in the morning. In the evening, replace sunscreen with any treatment products, like retinol. Mistake number 3. Skipping sunscreen indoors. Think sunscreen is only for outdoor days? Think again. UV rays, which cause premature aging and penetrate deeply into the skin, can pass through windows and even cloudy skies. Solution: apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every morning, whether you're staying indoors or heading outside. Bonus tip: don't forget often missed spots like your neck, ears, and hands. Mistake number 4. Using too many active ingredients at once. Combining too many actives like retinol, vitamin C, and exfoliating acids can overwhelm your skin, causing redness, flaking, and sensitivity. More doesn't always mean better. Solution: stick to 1 or 2 active ingredients that target your main skin concerns. For example, use vitamin C in the morning for brightening and retinol at night for anti-aging. Alternate exfoliation days and always hydrate to prevent irritation. Mistake number 5. Ignoring your neck and chest. Your neck and chest are extensions of your face, yet many people skip them in their skincare routine. This can lead to uneven skin tone and signs of aging that are hard to reverse later. Solution: treat your neck and chest the same way you treat your face. Cleanse, moisturize, and apply sunscreen to these areas daily to keep them firm and youthful. Mistake number 6. Not waiting between product layers. Layering products too quickly can dilute their effectiveness and even cause pilling, where products clump together on your skin. Solution: allow each product to fully absorb before applying the next. This usually takes about 30 seconds to a minute. Patience pays off with better results. Mistake number 7. Using hot water to wash your face. Hot water might feel relaxing, but it strips your skin of its natural oils and can leave your face dry, red, and irritated. Solution: stick to lukewarm water when cleansing your face. It's gentle enough to clean your skin without causing damage, while still opening pores slightly for better cleansing. Mistake number 8. Over-exfoliating. Exfoliation is key to removing dead skin cells and promoting a healthy glow, but too much can damage your skin barrier, leading to sensitivity and redness. Solution: exfoliate no more than 2-3 times a week, depending on your skin type. Use a chemical exfoliant, like glycolic acid, for a gentler and more even exfoliation compared to harsh physical scrubs. Mistake number 9. Sleeping with makeup on. We all have those lazy nights, but sleeping with makeup is one of the worst things you can do for your skin. It clogs pores, leads to breakouts, and prevents your skin from repairing itself overnight. Solution: always remove your makeup before bed, no matter how tired you are. Use a gentle makeup remover or cleansing balm to break down makeup and follow with your regular cleanser. Mistake number 10. Not adjusting your routine for seasons. Your skin's needs change with the weather. Using the same products year-round can lead to dry, flaky skin in winter or oily, clogged pores in summer. Solution: in colder months, switch to a richer moisturizer and consider adding hydrating serums with hyaluronic acid. In warmer months, opt for lightweight, gel-based products and ensure your sunscreen is sweat-resistant. Have you been making any of these skincare mistakes? Don't worry, small changes can make a big difference. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let me know which tips you'll try first. For more skincare advice, check out the article linked in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more beauty and wellness tips. Remember, skincare isn't about perfection. It's about learning what works for you and making informed choices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.